Ni hao Shweshangman, welcome to Delhi School of Languages. Let's learn Chinese with Simran. In this new chapter of our basic Chinese course, we are going to continue with the topic numbers. If you remember, in the last class, we did the whole numbers in thousands, hundreds, and tens. Today, we are going to do the exception to these numbers. The exception is in case of phone number, room number, and year, the numbers are spoken individually. For example, the phone number 7015022 dot 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 7 chi 0 ling 1 e 5 u 0 ling 2 er 2 er. So the number will be spoken as chi ling e u ling er. If I take the other exception, room number 306, 3 San 0 Ling 6 Leo, San Ling Leo. The next example of the current year 2025, 2 Er 0 Ling 2 Er 5 U. So year 2025 will be Er Ling Er U. So phone number, room number and year will not use thousands, hundreds, tens. They will be spoken individually. If I take the same example for both whole number and exception 205. If 205 is an exception of a room number, it will be ling u, the number individually. If I take it as 205 whole number, it will be broken down into place values 2 at 100 and 5. 2 100 pi 5 u pi u. Now I am going to put you some questions of numbers and you will write down the answers in the comment section and we will revert back to you if the answers are correct or wrong. The first number will be whole number 1896. You will break it down into place values and use the words Chien Pai Shi. The next number is 203. Next is 5500. Keep in mind these are whole numbers, so these will be broken down to place values and using the words Chien Pai Shi. 6770. 4004. 1111. Okay, now let's do some exceptions as well. The first one is for a phone number 700912304. The next is for a room number 208. For an year 1995. And the last is the year 2000. Okay, I will be waiting for your answers in the comment section below. Till then, she.